The coronavirus, COVID-19. It has hit America and it has hit it hard. What are drivers to do? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 ways that you can adapt to this current and ever-changing situation. And stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to share with you my decision about whether or not I'm going to go out and drive. Hey everybody, it is Jay Cradeur with the Rideshare Guy, right? And boy, times have changed. It seems like 10 days ago things were pretty normal. Now it feels like the whole country's on lockdown. Just today they're saying groups of 50 or bigger can't get together and gather. Bars are closing, restaurants are closing, and they're saying it's not going to be a few weeks but a few months. So it's here, it's happening, it's real, and we all have to adjust. And that's what we're going to cover in this video. How can you as a driver adjust to this current pandemic? Number 1, if you don't have to drive, don't drive. There's an old adage that says better safe than sorry. If you don't have to drive, hey, get out of town, go be in nature, get away from people, do something that feeds your soul, and just stay away from people, or just stay in your house and watch Netflix. That seems to be what they're recommending. Now, of course, that's not what most drivers can do. The Rideshare Guy, we hear that about 70% of drivers need to go out and make money to put food on the table, pay the bills, and keep the lights on. So let's continue. 2, if you're angry about this current situation, sue Uber and Lyft. So if that's something you want to do, there's a link below this video where you can access the damage calculator, where you can see how much you might be entitled to for back pay because they haven't been paying us properly, because they're treating us as employees rather than independent contractors. So if you feel the desire to vent, there's an outlet for you. Number 3, avoid airports. So if you've been following me for the last several years, you know that I never wait at the airport for a pickup. I always will drive 10 or 15 minutes away from the airport and get a ping and get back to work. Well, now with people coming from the airport, you don't know where they've been. I mean, they were just showing scenes of people in Chicago just packed tight, trying to get checked out so they could leave the airport. A lot of germs, a lot of stuff floating around. You don't know where people have come from, who's on the airplane, who they were sitting next to. Don't take the risk. Stay away from airport pickups, and I think you'll be much safer that way. 4, load your car with Purell, hand sanitizer, wipes. Like I carry these little wipes, even though I haven't driven in a while. I'm always wiping my hands. It's kind of ridiculous. Feels ridiculous, but I'm always cleaning myself. Even though I'm not even coming into contact with people. I'm always keeping it clean. So you should do the same thing. Wipe the back of your car when passengers leave, and offer Purell to your passengers so they can clean their hands, right? And just stay as clean as you possibly can. 5, to wear a mask or not to wear a mask. According to the Surgeon General, masks are not effective at prevention. And what's happening is people are hoarding the masks so that our healthcare professionals don't have enough masks for themselves to keep themselves safe when they're dealing with people who do have the virus. So unless you're sick and you've got the virus, you don't need to be wearing a mask. Of course, it's your call. If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. Number 6, switch to delivery. Look, since it's people that carry the virus, stop driving for Uber or Lyft, right? Why not do DoorDash? Why not do Caviar? Why not do Instacart? It's super easy to sign up for all these services. A lot of them offer a nice little bonus when you start out, and you're not going to be coming into contact with nearly as many people. Even the food deliveries now have a no-touch option, where you just drop the food off at someone's porch and then you can be on your way. So this way you're eliminating most of the chances of you getting the virus, because you're not going to be interacting with nearly as many people. And 7th and finally, if you do contract COVID-19, Uber, Lyft, and some of the delivery services have said they're going to offer paid sick leave up to 14 days. Now, we don't have any details. What do they consider a full day's worth of work worth? But there's something to be found there. So as you can see here, we've got some comments from both Uber and Lyft. So here we hear from Uber, from Andrew McDonald of Uber. He says, "We are supporting drivers and delivery people who are diagnosed with COVID-19 or placed in quarantine by public health authority. We believe this is the right thing to do." Good on you, Uber. Lyft. "We will provide funds to drivers should they be diagnosed with COVID-19 or put under individual quarantine by a public health agency." So that only seems fair. It is funny though, isn't it, that they're fighting so hard to call us independent contractors, yet when it comes down to it, they're treating us like employees by offering sick pay. So what are the key takeaways here? I'm not going to drive. I'm not going to drive. I actually want to drive. I want to go down there. I don't think I would get sick, and I would like to talk to passengers and kind of get a feel for what it's like out there driving. But I do live with a octogenarian, someone who's over 80 years old. And the idea that I might catch it, not know I have it, bring it home, and have her get sick, and then she could have complications, I just can't take that risk. So no, I'm going to play it safe, better safe than sorry, and stay in my little office and make my little articles and videos for you guys, and just keep my nose down and keep working. Thank you so much for watching the video. It's so great. If you have comments and you're out there dealing with the public and you had some interesting story to share, please put that in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That'll help the algorithm so that more people can get these valuable tips. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, subscribe, join our team. We'd love to have you as part of our team. Y'all go out and have a great day. Be very, very safe out there. Bye for now.